Hey, this is Daddy's Workshop at the Carolinas, where we treasure things made and restored by hand. Boy, it has been quite the stretch here, quite the spring and early summer, getting the shop ready for full-time work. I've been stocking up on machines for restoration and got several furniture projects in line. It has been quite the process. I've also expanded the shop to create better workflows for both machinery and furniture. So I'm just going to show you what I've been up to and take a look at what we got.
Okay, so the biggest change has been this addition, this lean-to off the back of the shop to store all of the garden and yard equipment. That way created a bunch of additional space inside for machinery restoration and repair. And this build was pretty simple. Just flattened everything out, got everything graded the way I wanted to with some string lines and so forth, and hand tools, rakes, shovels, etc. Got some gravel to crusher run, packed it down well, and had some poured some concrete columns, and we've got our pressure treated materials and so forth. So that's the expansion there. It's going to make a huge difference now, because now this whole area here is for machinery work, and you can see I've got quite the lineup here of machines to work on, all sorts of stuff ready to rock and roll. And basically the way it'll work, when I've got gaps in my furniture projects, we will work on these machines. And then this leaves my full shop for actual furniture production. And so this is a huge difference. It gains me about a 12 by 24 space by moving all the yard and garden equipment outside. And then I can really move around in here and function well as a furniture maker. And then when I'm doing my machinery work, go over into this area. I'm sure I'll tweak things a little bit more. Maybe I'll end up adding an extra circuit of outlets on this back wall, most likely, and then probably another bay of lights as well, since my lights stop right here where the actual furniture making equipment is. So I'm sure there'll be some modifications. Maybe I'll end up also with maybe putting the grinders over here and drill presses or something. But this workflow, this will create a much better workflow, and it'll really make a huge difference. So that's what we've been up to.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.